Hi, this is Todd at Go Visit San Diego, and today I'm going on a unique tour here in the Gaslamp Quarter. It's called the Brothels, Bites, and Booze Tour. This tour is a one-of-a-kind tour where you can see the checkered past of Gaslamp Quarter, formerly known as the Stingery. Many of the old buildings here housed brothels and gambling halls in the 1800s and early 1900s. Come check it out with me.
Each and every brothel in this neighborhood had its own little niche. This one had a particular niche. They had a petting zoo, for lack of a better description. My family up in Washington is freezing their butt off and they never go anywhere. It is not a brothel, was never a brothel officially, but it was a hotel. And specifically the Gaslamp Quarter. We'll also be grabbing some bites and drinks along the way, so it's going to be kind of like history, snacks and drinks, history, snacks and drinks, history, snacks and drinks. Maybe it seemed like an appropriate name. It's too classy. You would push that doorbell if they were expecting you. They would look out the window, they would see and expect you and let you in to do your business.
Just across the street, that big one, is a brothel.